Hey, I'm Austin with Uncle Joe's, and this is your car tip of the week. I'm going to show you today how to jump start your vehicle with battery cables, and you got to have one vehicle on, and you have your dead vehicle over here. And let's walk over here. Okay, this is your jumper cable. The red one is going to be your positive, and the black is going to be your negative. If you look right here, you can see that some vehicles have the positive terminal located right here, and this is the negative. So what you want to do is you want to pop this up if you have one of these, and what you want to do is connect the positive to the positive and the negative to the negative, and then you want to come over here to your dead vehicle and you want to connect. See, we have a positive. You want to take your positive, hook it to your positive, and then you want to take your negative and hook it to your negative. And then you start your car, and you should be good to go. Now that we have all our cables connected and everything is connected correctly, we can finally go to the dead battery car, and we're going to crank it up. The car is cranked. You need to at least leave it running for about 5 minutes to make sure that you are getting a lot of power into your vehicle and it's recharging your battery. Now we're going to take the battery cables off since the vehicle is running. And you can also leave your vehicle running while you're taking the battery cables off. Make sure to never, ever make your battery cables touch. It will spark and it will hurt you. You want to keep them kindly like this right here in your hand, and you just take it off and you're done. And that's the car tip of the week for Uncle Joe's. Thank you for visiting Uncle Joe's, and visit us next week for the next car tip of the week. And thank you. This is Austin again.